So of course you know you can make money on YouTube, but did you know you can make money on YouTube without ever showing your face or recording a single video? So these are brand new strategies that tons of channels are doing, but until now you never even noticed it. So today I'm actually holding a completely free live training for you to show you exactly how to do these strategies. So right here are a bunch of results of people who are doing these exact strategies. And while I can't promise you that you'll get these same results, I can promise you that you will learn the same exact step-by-step strategies that these people are using, because they all went through the same exact training that you have the opportunity to go through today. I had over 3 million subscribers on YouTube without ever showing my face or recording a single video. These are brand new strategies and tactics. I have a ton of notes here to teach you exactly step-by-step how to do this exact thing. So if you want to learn, go ahead and click on the top right if you're on mobile, or the bottom left if you're on desktop. So that'll take you to a registration page that looks just like this, and you're gonna want to register as quickly as you can because there are limited seats and they are filling up fast. So I have nothing to give you but a bunch of step-by-step strategies for how to do this same exact thing. So I cannot wait to see you all in there.